Welcome to the Generic Tech Support YouTube channel, a location that actually believes that Post-it notes are more secure than having LastPass. Like and subscribe for more content. Hey guys, got a Windows 11 quick tip for you. You ever been at this screen and want to install Windows 11 but can't because you don't have an active internet connection? I'm going to show you how to bypass this. Okay, what you're going to want to do is click somewhere on this screen here where you're looking, where it says let's connect you to a network. Just click anywhere on the screen. And you're going to hit Shift and the F10 key on your keyboard. This is going to generate a pop-up of a command line. And in this command line, you're going to type as follows. You're going to type in OOBE, B as in boy, E as in Edward, / bypass, BYPASS, N as in Nancy, R as in Robert, and O as in Oregon. And you're going to hit enter on your keyboard. Okay guys, so you're going to have to obviously click through what you needed to for the keyboard and your location again, but you'll eventually get to this screen again. And when you get here, you'll notice that you have now the option to click I don't have the internet. Make a mental note that since you no longer have the internet requirements, that means you can now create a local administrator account to log into your Windows operating system and no longer have the requirement for an online or a Microsoft linked account when you go through the setup process for Windows 11. So now you'll just create yourself a local account and then your local password like you did in Windows 10. Let me know if this is helpful for you guys. Add some comments down below. Thanks for watching.